This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Sonia Egnot. This spacious open floor plan is a 5-bedroom, 3 full bath home that also features a front office, 6-person island, sunroom, first full master bedroom and more. Beautiful private backyard view. All appliances are bronze to tie in the kitchen colors. Laundry room is plumbed for 2 separate West/D units. Solar panels. Much more to share. For more information, review the details below or contact Sonia Egnot at 757-422-2200.